are watching Jaipuria News and I am Samriti Pathak reporting to you live from St. Emma Jaipuria School, Patna. I welcome you to our interdisciplinary project showcase for the year 2024. Today we have with us some amazing students who have combined their knowledge from different subjects to create innovative solutions and explore new ideas. So, hello. What is your name?
My name is Akansha.
Okay, Akansha. So, did art play a role in the making of your project?
Yes, art played a role in our project.
So, how exactly?
We used it to design the presentation and make our findings visually and appealing and making it easy to understand.
Okay, thanks, Akansha. Hello, Rudra.
Hi.
So, how actually have you made this very beautiful project of
I
yours?
searched from internet and they have given me some example of how we can make front makeup in this.
Okay, so front page is rather beautiful. Could you tell us what exactly have you written or what is the content of this project?
I have written about a Bhutan poem because we have a family, but her family got her because for 2 months they have got peace and their baby was gone to their house.
Okay, so that was a rather touching story and I'm sure you made it very good one. Thank you, Rudra. Hi, I am Rudra Narayana of class 7B. Okay, so Rudra, could you please brief us about this project of yours? Along with my friends, we have made a project on the topic My Inclusive Classroom. In this, we have learned that how to decrease diversity, increase equality, equity, and how to maintain minority and majority. Thank you. Thanks a lot for that answer. प्रभात सोना। तो यहाँ पे मैं देख सकती हूँ कि आपने एक काफी सुंदर परियोजना बनाई है। तो क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आपने बनाई किस तरह से?
जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि हर बार हमारा आइडियल परियोजना होता है, इस बार भी उसी तरह से हुआ। इस बार का हमारा विषय था जनजाति, विविध संस्कृतियों को समझना। तो हमारा विषय हिंदी में प्रोजेक्ट का नाम था विविध जनजाति, जिसमें हमारे पहले परिचय दिया था विविध जनजाति का, फिर मैंने आज जीवन शैली, वो लोग कहाँ रहते हैं, क्या खान पान है उनका, वो सब मैंने देखा। और मैं यहाँ देख सकती हूँ ये पिक्चर की मदद से हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे किस तरह से वो लोग डांस कर रहे हैं, नाच रहे, गा रहे और अपने में ही मगन हैं। वो लोग बाहर की दुनिया से बहुत ज़्यादा अलग है और इतने बड़े परियोजना को मैंने खुद से नहीं बनाया है, मैंने अपने साथियों के साथ मिलकर बनाया है।
नमस्कार आशिका।
नमस्कार।
तो क्या आप हमें बता सकती हैं कि इस बहुत सुंदर से चित्रण को आप दिखा रही हैं, ये आपने बनाया किस तरह से?
असल में हमने इसमें ज़ुलू कबीले को बनाया है और हमारा जो आइडियल प्रोजेक्ट था इस बार का, उसमें हमें अलग अलग कबीलों को बनाना था और जो हमें मिला है वो था ज़ुलू कबीला और इसी को बनाने के लिए हमने उसके अलग अलग चित्र
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है। धन्यवाद। हेलो मुग्धा।
Hi.
So what do you have to say about this project of yours?
So we have created a project on the topic My Inclusive Classroom. Through this project we came across very much new words which were diversity, discrimination, minority, majority and many more. This project taught us that everyone has the right to be included in our work. We should include everybody around us irrespective to anything. This project taught us that everyone should have the equal rights and equity. This project even taught us that equity is as important as equality. Thank you.
We have to remember that the world is full of questions waiting to be answered. And sometimes the best answers come from, well, combining what we know from different subjects. So let us keep learning and exploring. Thank you for watching Jaipuria News. Please share your feedback and help us evolve better every day.